Hi guys, in this video we'll be talking about premium URL shortener, just like TinyURL, just like Bitly, just like Kotlin. This is a powerful self-hosted URL shortening script that allows you to create short links. You can track clicks, manage campaigns, and run your own link shortly platform, just like I said, Bitly, TinyURL. Now please note this is just a video demo walkthrough to show you how the system works. And also, if you need a full installation, setup, customization, or deployment, kindly contact me via using the details on the screen, and I'll be happy to help out getting everything running smoothly for an affordable fee, and it's ready for the hours. Now, I'm going to dive into the demo and show you a little bit of the feature. Now, this is the home page. The home page, for example, you can set it as a SaaS. People can use it and pay you monthly for it. Like I said, it's a URL shortener, just like Bitly, Kotlin, TinyURL. Also, bio pages whereby you can create a bio, just like Linktree. Yes, where you can have your details, everything about you in one dashboard. Your all your social media handles in one dashboard, and also has option for QR code. You can use this to set a QR code for your business and set it for payment system. So this is just the front end, how it looks like, what user will be seeing first. All this that is what you can track. If you want to know people are clicking on the particular link, where each country or territory, which country is clicking the most, how many users, your views did it get. This is the web software you can use to do all of that. So now this is the admin dashboard. You can see the graph, total clicks, current clicks, clicks on daily basis, and all of the activities. You can see them on the right. And this is where you check the bio pages. You set the bio pages people that have done, and you can add more. And also the second one was for QR code option. Let's hold on while it loads. So the second one is for QR code statistics, and also you can check all the links that has been generated. So it's just a simple dashboard that you can use to shorten URL. You can track how the links are performing across every social media handles. You can track, manage campaigns, like you want your own short link platform, your own link, all of a sudden, or something like that. So you also have a custom flash as well that you can use. Instead of you paying this big platform, TinyURL monthly or quarterly, paying them heavily. This is a platform that you can use and you own it for life. You're not paying anybody, you're using it for free and you own it for life. So if you want to set it up, like I said, contact me on the screen and I'll get it on for you for an affordable fee and it's ready for you in 48 hours. If you have any question, don't be conversation or contact me and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye.